Here we go.
Okay. God
damn. Or sorry, AD. That's what I meant. Sorry.
Force feeding. The numbers are going up, guys.
Guys, might be another Savannah.
Guys, there's no light.
No, I'm not looking.
You're looking. It's fine. I'm holding your eyes open.
No, I'm waiting until I close the doors.
It's brown. Loudness.
Oh. Okay.
We'll stick together.
What?
It's a larger elevator. This is the elevator at Patterson Hall. Can't climb out.
Why is this thing so large, bro? Why is this thing the size of a school classroom?
It's probably a freight elevator. Or at least it probably used to be.
This is a rare, older style togetherness without the chimes.
Excuse me. I am a staple. I am a common piece. I am my own rap scout.
Okay.
Jesus!
Adam's like so paranoid. He just doesn't want to look like he knows like.
Bro, literally, no. You literally see pink and it's like, no, not looking.
Pretty much.
We're on pink alert. Code red. Shut down NOS.
Reagan, snap, not
No.
Reagan, snap, not plane. Isosceles Industries.
Alright, there
Is
goes.
that the name? Nah. Bro.
Okay, there goes, and that's it.
Yeah, Isosceles Industries building.
Is that literally the name of the building?
No.
Maybe.